natural behavior of the seals. We call it enrichment because they are funful mammals. One more time. Zebra seal. TV will have time. The water green to show you how smart she is. By the way, friends, seals love to sleep most of the time. At the same time, they are fun for mammals. Rumble! Also, you have to know, seals live in the water, on the land also at the same time. Fokmat, يعيشوا بالماء وعلى اليابسة. Oh, DG, look at that! Sport time, وقت الرياضة. Volleyball match. واحد. She's got one ball.
Oh, wow.
يلا look at that, look at that. Oh, 2-0. By the way, friends, we call the female in this family cow, the male hog, the baby seal pup. She will fly. نسمي أنثى الفقمة البقرة، ذكر الفقمة الثور، وصغير الفقمة الشلو. Now, she will show you the ability to walk like a human, so let's go shopping.
Hi.
Physically.
Oh!
Come on! Come on! From South America, the 40 seas there, you can find many countries like Chile, Peru, Argentina. And now, one flipper! Let me tell you something, the trailer and the seal are one team. And now the final action. Everybody, clap your hands, Zafula! Remember, she's 8 years old. Her name is Adela from the forest seal species. Oh, look at that. She's coming down to say thank you, bye-bye, masalama, everybody.
Ole, ole. Tangi, uy! Woo! Tangi! Uy, uy, uy.
Friends in the Green Seas USA shipping. Thank you so much. Gracias, muchas gracias. VIP Bronze is up there. She's here to say, спасибо большое. Gracias, gracias, molto bene. Kumasamnida, arigato.
Ale, ale.
Now, East Point Indian International School. Adela's here to say thank you. Shukriya, tashakkur, salamat, stuti. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Yalla kids, say bye-bye.
Oh, bye.
Now friends, Adela is going